What if America's favorite family hauling SUV just secretly solved its biggest weakness with a mid-cycle overhaul that leaves traditional buyers completely rethinking their garage plans? Spy shots of heavily disguised prototypes testing on US soil reveal that Honda is giving the fourth-generation Pilot a strategic mid-cycle refresh. But that is just the tip of the iceberg, because reports indicate Honda is aggressively reworking the front fascia, tweaking the cabin technology, and leaving room for heavily rumored powertrain additions that could finally shake up the three-row establishment. Wait until you see what changed under the wraps, because these updates hit right at the heart of what family buyers care about most. We are looking closely at the upcoming 2027 Honda Pilot. For years, the Pilot has commanded massive loyalty across American households by nailing the fundamentals of space, safety, and everyday passenger utility. But with fierce pressure from heavy hitters like the Toyota Grand Highlander, Kia Telluride, and Chevrolet Traverse, Honda knows it cannot afford to rest on its laurels. Why is this specific model year capturing so much attention right now? Because rather than waiting for a distant full-generation shift, Honda is bringing forward a targeted mid-cycle refresh designed to sharpen its competitive edge just as segment rivals pull ahead in styling and fuel efficiency. At first glance, the exterior retains the rugged, truck-inspired silhouette that buyers love, but pre-production prototypes point toward a chunkier, more commanding front grille design and redesigned bumper geometry. But that's not the biggest change. Step inside, and early indications suggest Honda is upgrading the interior display architecture and refining trim materials across the lineup. However, there's a detail regarding packaging and dash layout that every tech-focused family buyer needs to watch closely, especially as Honda responds to complaints about lagging infotainment screen sizes. And this is where things get genuinely interesting beneath the surface. Under the hood, early information indicates the 2027 model will likely carry forward Honda's trusted 3.5-liter V6 engine pushing 285 horsepower, paired smoothly with a responsive 10-speed automatic transmission. But that's not the only detail making waves. Industry reports strongly suggest that Honda is laying the groundwork for electrified hybrid variants to join the family tree as fuel efficiency demands tighten. Plus, the adventure-ready TrailSport trim is expected to return with its specialized off-road suspension tuning and steel skid plates, keeping outdoor enthusiasts happy. However, there's a catch that eco-conscious shoppers should note. Official release timing and whether a hybrid model launches right out of the gate remains subject to final factory confirmation. When compared with the Toyota Grand Highlander and Kia Telluride, the 2027 Honda Pilot stands out with superior cabin ergonomics, flexible second-row seating, and proven reliability. While rivals offer more hybrid options, the Pilot delivers excellent cargo versatility, physical controls, and a dependable 5,000-pound towing capacity, making it a strong choice for family buyers. So, is the refreshed 2027 Honda Pilot worth waiting for? If you want a dependable, spacious three-row SUV with sharper styling, updated technology, and proven TrailSport capability, it remains a strong choice. Its biggest strengths are family-friendly practicality and rugged versatility, while the main drawback is uncertainty around expanded hybrid availability. Overall, the 2027 Pilot remains a compelling benchmark for family SUVs. What do you think about the updates coming to the 2027 Honda Pilot? Would you choose it over a Toyota Grand Highlander or Kia Telluride? Let us know in the comments, and subscribe to Car Next for more new car updates.